Good morning, students. I would like to introduce myself. I am your EVS teacher, Mrs. Ambali George. Today we will learn about the human body. This is our first chapter in EVS. Last year we have already learned about sense organs in our body. Now we are going to discuss about external and internal organs. Students, we know that our body performs various functions daily, like speaking, growing, sensing, and thinking. Our body functions with the help of certain organs. There are two types of organs, external and internal. Now let us discuss about external organs. External organs are the ones we can see like ears, nose, eyes, skin, and tongue. These help us to understand our surroundings and are called sense organs. Now let us see how these sense organs work in our body. All these sense organs send message to the brain through thin thread-like structure called nerves. The brain analyzes these messages and tells the parts of the body to act accordingly. Now let us see the functions of these sense organs. First, let us see eyes. The eyes are the window to the world. They help us to see everything in our surroundings, such as colors and shapes. The color and shape of the eyes may differ one person to another. Now let's see the function of eyes. The eyes form the image of the object in front of it and sends a signal to the brain through the nerves. The brain helps us to identify the object. Now let's see the function once more. The eyes form image of the object in front of it and sends a signal to the brain through the nerves. The brain helps us to identify the object. Now let's see the next sense organ, ears. The ears help us to listen to various sounds in our surroundings. The ear is divided into three parts: inner, middle, and outer. The outer ear collects sounds and sends it to the inner ear, which sends message to the brain. This is how we hear a sound. Now let's see the function once again. The sound reaches the inner ear after traveling through the outer and middle parts of the ear. This is how we hear everything. Now let's see the next sense organ, nose. The nose helps us to smell. It has two holes called nostrils. These nostrils help us to breathe. The smell of an object reaches the nose. The nerves in the nose send message to the brain. This is how we identify different smells. Now let's see the function once again. The smell of an object reaches the nose. The nerves in the nose send message to the brain. This is how we identify the different smell. Now let us see the next sense organ, skin. The skin forms the largest part of our body. It covers our entire body. It helps us to touch and feel. Now let's see the function of the skin, our body. The skin enables us to feel any object. The tissue in the skin sends message to a brain. Now the last one, tongue. The tongue helps us to taste different food items. It has many taste buds which can identify various flavors like sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. The tongue has taste buds. These taste buds send message to the brain and help us to taste different flavors. Now let's see the function once again. The tongue has taste buds. These taste buds send message to the brain and help us to taste different flavors. Now let us revise today's topic once again. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Eyes for sight, ears for hearing, nose for smell, skin for touch, to feel, tongue for taste. Now I'll give you one activity for tomorrow. Make a list of at least 2 things that you can do at the same time using 2 different sense organs. I'll repeat the activity. Make a list of at least 2 things that you can do at the same time using 2 different sense organs. Thank you.